Let's start from the basics. Seedance 2.0 is an AI video generation model developed by ByteDance. It can combine text, images, video, and even audio to generate complete cinematic sequences. What makes it different is that it doesn't just create a single clip. It builds multi-shot videos with consistent characters, camera movement, and scene transitions from a single prompt. So instead of describing a scene, you're actually directing it. Now let me show you a real example using Dzine AI. I started from this image, Melissa, my AI influencer, and I used a second image as the final frame. This is important because Seedance can use references to control both identity and progression across the video. In the first prompt, Basic Control, I keep things simple. I define the subject, the outfit, the environment, and one main action. So Melissa walks toward the camera in a cinematic night setting. This step is about locking identity, lighting, and mood. But the model is still making most of the creative decisions. In the second prompt, Structured Direction, I introduce structure. Instead of one action, I define multiple sequences. A 3/4 editorial shot, a medium shot for details, and a low-angle full-body shot. Now I'm controlling the camera, not just the subject. Seedance understands this and automatically builds a multi-shot sequence while keeping everything consistent. The result is already more cinematic and intentional. In the third prompt, I move to full direction. I use both a start frame and an end frame. This allows the model to plan the entire motion across the sequence, instead of generating disconnected clips. Then I refine everything: wide shot, detail shots, low-angle movement, close-ups, and the final transition to the end frame. At this point, I'm not prompting anymore. I'm directing a fashion sequence. A strong Seedance prompt always defines what we see, what happens, how the camera behaves, the visual style, and consistency constraints. If one of these is missing, the result becomes unstable. If all of them are clear, the output becomes cinematic. So the real difference is not the tool, it's how you write the prompt. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. See you on Dzine AI, link in bio.